Alright, 9:42 a.m., May 30, 24. Babado next day, part 2. Morning dishes, Babado vlog. Mugawas to guys, mato ko sa eskwelahan nila Jasmine Manuel L. Quezon Elementary School. Na eskwelahan na ko sa una. Alright, 12 ka buok. Pray. Wala na si pastor, bago rin nigawa si pastor. Baktas lang ka guys. Oh, Quezon. Si Ate Lina. Kunya pa daw si Ma'am Rosie mo adto sa Assumption. 2 to 3 p.m. Exit Barangay 22 Darcy. Ako'y ID sa Assumption na kabutang lang sa baag. Alright. Nakita na ko si classmate dire si Eliza Baso. Masa ganito? Dugay bago raman to last week. May gaya sila lumber. Kaya nag-inom ko Gatorade gani ha kay katong ganing plastic bag sa Gatorade kay katong Napalit na ko na tumbler kagahapon. Katong plastic bottle sa Gatorade. Nagbutang kong tubig, i-transfer na ako sa tumbler na gipalit ako gahapon. Sa ako ang napansin, ang katong tumbler, pwede siya makasya sa duha ka Gatorade bottle. So, ang naitabo is kaganiha mga alas 8 sa buntag pasado na ako'y edit na logo kaya wala na ako nabutang og ml or milliliters. So nabutang na ko 1000 ml sa Photoscape. I believe makuan ako ni guys. Maka-print pa man ko. Sabay na sila og recognition sa Quezon. Itanong ko si Jasmine. Saba pa ng Rojas. Pula dira sa Quezon. May tawag ako kung mama na ako. Si Ma'am Tan. Basta nga si Ma'am Tan dira. Eileen G. Tan. Wow.
Jamayan.
Athlete of the Year and Body Award.
Suot face mask.
Russell A. B. Nunez. Best in Attendance. Dr. David Award.
Sir Despe ang nag-host.
Body Award.
Padre kay Ma'am Tan.
Hannah A. Miron. Happy Helper and Honest Team Award.
Wala pong mama diri ko.
Lord Jamir.
Rowena.
Golden Arm Award.
Ay ma'am. Jasmine. Jasmine. Ha? Baktas mong ko.
Magtanong na kayo, Muring. Sunod na kay Ma'am Flaming ko ng mga pilar. Relax lang kayo.
Again, they were Anduna after the giving of certificates and reward. Please go to my classroom right now. Palapar sa anak-anak sa classroom. Okay? So let's start with Abu Bakar Marian, Happy Helper Award. Abu Bakar Yasser, Happy Helper Award. Next, Ajaria Jumel, Eager Beaver, Cooperative Gift, and a certificate of recognition for achieving an outstanding in attendance. Ampaso Norain, Cooperative Gift, Happy Helper, and Sparkler Award. Isa na ba ang Victoria Pasa? Dilayon Aliyah Dilayon Aliyah, Happy Helper, Responsible Gift, Sparkler Award, and Golden Heart. Cabezas Christian Mal, Eager Beaver Award. Bull Racing III, Cooperative Gift, BCB, and a certificate of recognition for achieving a very satisfactory performance for the Super 2023-2024. Hinampas Christian J, Peacemaker, Happy Helper, and a certificate of recognition for outstanding in attendance. Ibanez Julian, Happy Helper, and BCB Award. Ikea Tumaaki, Kim Yutaka, Eager Beaver, BCB, Cooperative Good Award, and a certificate of recognition for having an outstanding performance in attendance. Lusada April Rose, Torches Gift, and a certificate of recognition for outstanding in attendance and a gold medal as an active Girl Spark Award. Rafael Lucenio, Peacemaker, and Happy Helper. Muhammad Hana, Happy Helper, Responsible Gift, Sparkler Award, and Golden Heart Award. Rugasan Kyle Vincent, Cooperative Gift, and a certificate of recognition for outstanding in attendance. Rugasan Rufaida, Cooperative Gift, Torches Gift, and a certificate of recognition for outstanding in attendance. Salilig Jafar, Eager Beaver Award.
Cellphone ni Maui.
Sanday Lawrence G, Cooperative Gift Award, and a certificate of recognition for outstanding in attendance. Saraka Sherlyn Ray, Cooperative Gift, and Gorgeous Gift Award, and a certificate of recognition for outstanding in attendance.
Oh, nice.
Okay, open, take 5. Take 5 awardees, please be ready. So we will start from section Avila. Next, section Cisne. To be followed by section Flamenco. Alright? Flamenco, then followed by section Flamenco. So yan. And then last but not the least, section Lawin.
Ah? Ay, okay. Oh.
Okay, let us now proceed to the grade 5 awardees. Okay, very impressed. Those who are standing, please take your seats. Okay? Ako pa managaling ko, lingkod lang sa mo para di sa mo panahon din sa mga.
Oh.
Okay.
Yung nga, mo ay. Then eh.
Okay, so grade 5 after our turn, we proceed to our classroom and go to the stay in your class, ha? Okay, then, learners awardees, please stay muna bago makabahan ko lang po niyo. Okay! Aming grade for grade 5 awardees, palakaman muna natin ang grade 5 level! Okay! So, these are the awardees of grade 5 Avila. Nara Alcala Ortega, with honors. Cooperative Peer Award, Eager Giver Award, Best Investigation. She will also receive a medal and a certificate of participation for having participated in the District Sabonete School Campus, Council Camp, and Junior Rally of the school year 2023-2024. Palakpakan natin si Lara Altea Onyeda.
Oh.
Colleen B. Limbado, with honors. Eager Giver Award, Happy Giver Award, Naranusin. Okay. Atas continue. Happy Giver Award, she will also receive a certificate of recognition for her
Pag-video ko kay, kini na picture. Ah. Ah. Oh.
Project Watch Officer of the school year 2023-2024. Okay, next we have Sophie E. Apolinario with honors. Eager Giver Award and Best in Islamic Values. Marian P. De Leon with honors. Eager Giver Award
we have Justine Kate B. Lebron. No, sorry. Is that correct? Justine Kate B. Irao. Achiever, Responsible King Award. A gold medal for winning the first place in fruit farming during the district Techno-Olympics competition. And a recognition for winning the fifth place in the division Techno-Olympics competition. Congratulations, Jasmine. Achiever. She will also receive a certificate of recognition for her commitment in serving as pupil teacher during the National Reading Month and for her valuable contribution and dedication as grade 5 representative of the Supreme Learning Government of the school year 2023-2024. Next, we have Johanita Mangpi, Achiever, Best in Arabic Language, Best in Islamic Values.
Unsa?
Kamita. Sure, ano lang. Basa na ito.
Then we have Princess Regine Meros, Achiever.
Ha?
Puno, di na puno.
Di naman.
Then we have Lady Sophia Ocalcano, Achiever, Body Award, Cooperative Green Award. She will also receive a medal and a certificate of participation for having participated in the district simultaneous school encampment and junior rally of the school year 2023-2024. Okay, next we have Lebron B. Pinos, Best in Attendance, Most Punctual. He will also receive a gold medal for winning the first place in fruit farming during the district Techno-Olympics competition
Ha?
and a recognition for winning the fifth place in the division Techno-Olympics
Dili. Ay,
competition. Congratulations.
Murag.
Next we have Ryan A.
Color green?
Oh?
Award.
Kalimot ko eh. Di man siguro classmate. Nga, ano ka ba naman ka na classmate na ako? Ha?
Hindi ko na cellphone din. Mahurot na yan.
Di ba urot?
Then we have Philip Jerome Oscar.
1,000 plus. The Republic of today, May 30, 24 arrived.
Then we have Micael Nazir Yu Mendoza, Best in Islamic Values. Okay, next we have David T. Omon, Best in Islamic Values. Education. Okay, next we have Sini Asia Kabugatan, Achiever in Cooperative Award, Best Islamic Values and Arabic Language. Okay, first, di sa mga babahan na ilang para sa Victoria. Okay, next we have Francesca Denise Navarro, Golden Heart, Responsible, Need, Behave, Cooperative, and she will also receive certificate of participation during junior rally and district simultaneous school and fountain bronze medal. Okay, next we have Lunaida Sauman, Responsible, Cooperative, Eager Fever Award, Best Islamic Values and Best in Arabic Language. Okay, next we have Chinese Panglayon, Cooperative, Eager Fever Award. You will also receive a certificate of participation during junior rally and this simultaneous school and fountain bronze medal. We have Rashid Hasmin Salmi, Best Islamic Values, Best in Arabic Language, Eager Fever, Sparker Award. Okay, next we have Sakia Faira Asali, Fortress Eager Fever Award, Best in Islamic Values. Okay, next we have Pearl Monique Nunez, Golden Heart, Responsible Cooperative Award. Okay, next we have okay, Sabrina Lee Roches, Responsible Ear Sparkler Award. Next we have Marian Tenorio, Cooperative Eager Fever Award. Next, Kimberly Clark Tuzo, Responsible and Cooperative Fever. Okay, after this will be grade 5 attention. Okay, next we have Christine Estrada, Eager Fever, Cooperative Award. Next we have Steve Carr Cobello, Spark Girl and Happy Helper Award. Okay, Rajmi Tulawi, Eager Fever, Happy Helper Award, Best Islamic Values. Okay, we have Chandra Gula, Eager Fever and Spark Girl Award. Next we have Ricardo Kevin James, Peace River, Cooperative Award.
Oh,
Ali Kael,
taud pa man.
Sparkler Award and
Langan.
okay, we have also Hasima Amuran, Factual Award, Best in Islamic Values, Best in Arabic Language. Okay, next we have Latiful Rahima, Best in Islamic Values. Jehan Berson J, Best in Islamic Values. Noah Ita, Ashim Ale Ita.
Oh,
Congratulations, grade 5. Okay, we ready? Grade 5 talent
Okay, we have Abdul Wadud Taif, Achiever Award, Year Leader, Responsible Cooperative, Best in Islamic Values and Arabic Language, Medal for joining Musabaka Division Level. Congratulations. Okay, next we have Joseph Emmanuel Lustol, Cooperative, Happy Helper, and Pumpkin Kid Award. Next we have Jomamir Vitor, Peacemaker, Gorgeous Award, Cooperative, Responsible, and Best in Islamic Peace. Rob Person, Leader, Beaver, Responsible, Cooperative Kid Award. De Los Santos Denver, Gold Sport Award, Responsible, Active, and Young Singer Award. Eman Lakadui, Good Sport, Responsible, Cooperative, Spagger Award. Congratulations. Okay, next we have Gabriel Nadella, Responsible, Exporter, and Active Award. Okay, next we have Rahimin Kulua, Responsible Cooperative and GSP Awardee, Bronze Medal. Okay, we have Mia Uteni, Responsible Cooperative, GSP Awardee, Bronze Medal. Makatu Janelle Ming, Cooperative, Happy Helper, GSP Awardee, Bronze Medal. Next, we have Hashim Josephine, Cooperative, Active Kid Awardee, GSP Awardee,
Ito
Bronze.
na ko si Arena guys ha.
Next, we have Sarah Lea Dibaratu, Cooperative, Active, GSP Awardee, Bronze.
Kung saan na pag-video pa, paana o paana? Ha? Ano lang? Okay, okay.
And then we have Saliki Junaika, Cooperative, Active Kid Award, GSP Awardee. Sige, mag-pictorial sa amin na. Wala pa niabot dinag na Kurt, Similiano, wala. Yutotos, Alright, we have Scale Need Participative, Cooperative, Supportive, Pupil, Girl Scout Awarding, Certificate of Recognition as Self-Treasurer, Certificate of Recognition as Pupil Teacher for National Reading Month Celebration. Right? Next, we have Lomanga Charles Nagin, Responsible
Okay siya?
Happy Helper, and
Wow. Ako lang dito may adjustment.
Sige lang, pasagdi lang ko.
Okay, next we have Kirby Montero,
Wow.
Cooperative, Supporting Pupil.
Okay, Jasmine.
Okay, next we have Winnie Blair, Participative, Cooperative, Responsible, Happy Helper, and Eager People. Congratulations. Next we have Gonzaga, Arena, Ira, Participative, Cooperative, Responsible, Happy Helper, and Eager People. Next, we have Alexia Pay Cardo, Responsible, Happy Helper, Eager People. Okay, next we have Jasmine Lukina, Responsible, Happy Helper, Eager People, Industrial, and Industrial People. Next,
1, 2, 3.
Participative, Cooperative, Responsible,
One,
Eager
two,
People,
three.
Happy Helper, Peacemaker, and Dependable Leader. Congratulations. Then we have Jules Lawrence Yusef, Responsible Caregiver, Happy Helper, Industrial, and Islamic Values. Okay, next we have Hadanin Sophia, Best in Islamic Values and Arabic Language.
Wow.
Then we have Juliana Tamani.
Wow, nagkano, Roy?
Nabaho, nabaho.
Nagkano, Roy?
Sini.
Most
Mas like, nakamo rin.
Assistant Pupil
Gapo lagi ko yung cellphone eh. Permero. Ay, dalik mo din. Mau tayo permero?
Oo.
Ilang. Nagana din. Mau ni?
Oo, muna.
May pasal lang sa school.
Oo.
Natanan, natanan.
Magani.
Congratulations.
Pabuang na yun ko, guys. Okay, 1,000 plus ang atong walking.
Also, Alina Nasser, Conscious, Triple, Behave, Pupil.
1,000 plus ang atong walking step.
Best in Islamic Values and Arabic Language. Okay, we have Olanta Princess Sophia, Responsible, Eager, Happy Helper, Best in Islamic Values and Then we have Abu Bakar Ruzid, Participative, Cooperative, Support, Pupil, Best in Islamic Values. We have also Hashim Ubaida, Responsible, Eager, Happy Helper, Illustrious Pupil, Best in Islamic Values. And also Jalal Sarico, Participative, Cooperative, Supporting People. Congratulations! And we have also Munaira Saumay, Participative, Cooperative, Supporting, Best in Islamic Values and Arabic Language. Congratulations! Grade 5 Paborial, Victoria Luna, Boys, sa harapan tayo, boys. Ito. Okay. Okay, next we have grade 5 Lamu. Grade 5, alin po, yes, we have ay maghatag to. Mag-release pang ito. Okay, we have grade 5, Lawi. Okay, Rebecca Chan for the Read Honors, Punctual Award, Honesty, you will award, Faculty Award, Acting Award, and you will also receive a certificate of recognition for his valuable contribution and dedication to certain arts for graduate officer, and also its commitment in serving pupil teacher during National Reading Month for the school year 2023-2024. Congratulations, John Carlo. Next, we have Billy Diaz, Achiever Responsible Kid Award, Cooperative Kid Award.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Reveal and Best
Isa pa.
Responsible Award.
1, 2, 3.
Next, we have Francisco Bernana, Achiever, Cooperative Kid Award, Responsible, Active Pupil, Helpful Pupil, Medal Certificate of Participation for having participated in the Physics Simultaneous School Improvement. Next, we have Princess Bungol, Achiever, Cooperative Kid Award, Helpful Pupil Award. Hey,
Kuhan ka, best in PE. Hello?
next, we have Purchase, Nikki, Create, and Industrial Secret Award. Salforna Asha, Cooperative, Happy Helper, Best in Arabic Language, Destiny, Islamic Values Award. Ali Bigulon, Behave Kid, Honest Kid, Best in Islamic Values, and Best in Arabic Language Award. Next, we have Noah Harina,
Okay na.
Behave Kid, First Kid, Best in Arabic Language, and Best in Islamic Values Award. We have also Sultan Juhana, BCP Award, Punctual Kid, and Best in Islamic Values.
1, 2, 3.
We have also Mutia Lorana, Cooperative,
1, 2, 3.
Best in Islamic Award. Next, we have Sayyidani Gorman, Punctual, Best in Arabic Language, and Best in Islamic Values.
Isa man.
Next, we have
Sipog ba yun?
Alexa, Grade 5 of the Year Certificate of
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Islamic Values Award. We have also Leo Pedro J. Body Award and Happy Helper Award.
Cellphone din tayo.
Next, Salil Rajmar, and Best in Islamic Award.
Ay.
We have also Timothy Muhammad, Best in Islamic Values, Happy Helper Award. Diva Mary Wicked and Nikki Award. Alvarez Desiree, Punctual Kid Award and Happy Helper Award.
Kasi
We have
photographer.
also Johanna Del Pozo, Punctual Kid
Okay,
Award
G.
and Active Kid Award. Next, we have Villanueva,
Langan.
BCP Award, Behave Kid Award. And we have Lastimado, Happy Helper, and Active Kid Award.
Mura kay 25
Congratulations, grade 5, Lawi.
Pila ba yung edad? 35?
Sige mga boys, ikot.
Ilang?
Mga 25 siguro.
Ikaw, ito na edad din niya namin nyo. 12? Tak, naman ka.
35 akong gingon, di 25. 35. Jollibee daw ta karon nga.
Congratulations, grade 5. And next we have grade 6.
Isbo ko. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Malayo ka, roll time ka.
Isa pa. Dool pa.
Okay, grade 6.
1, 2, 3.
Section Diamond. Hindi na naman kayo.
Brown mo na.
Next. Section R. Section Bird. Section
Dapat ay part 3 guys. Thank you for watching.